Found an LNB file from HP support and need to update your business notebook BIOS? This firmware file keeps your laptop running smoothly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to safely apply HP BIOS updates. Note on preparation: make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the LNB file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. Users typically encounter .lnb files when their HP business notebook is performing a BIOS or firmware update. The file contains the necessary data to update the computer's low-level system instructions. The user's intent is to ensure the update completes successfully to maintain system stability, security, and compatibility. An .lnb file is a proprietary binary format containing firmware code specific to HP motherboard chipsets. It is designed for integrity and security, often including digital signatures and checksums, to prevent corruption or malicious modification during the flashing process, which is critical for the computer's basic boot functions. For viewing and interaction, LNB is most commonly opened via HP BIOS Update utility from HP Inc. Using a dedicated tool minimizes the security vulnerabilities associated with this format. Windows shows only the file shell, while actual operations require compatible flashing utilities. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your LNB file and select Open With. Test HP BIOS Update. Utility, if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application conflicts. If the LNB file still will not open, there is no need to stress. This particular LNB file is causing errors because it's so specialized. We need to check these 3 key details right now to rule out simple mistakes. First, backing up before update. Create complete system backups before applying any BIOS update. Connect AC power to ensure uninterrupted power during the update process. Document current BIOS version and settings for reference. BIOS updates carry inherent risks, though HP's update mechanisms include safeguards to minimize potential issues. Next, running HP update tools. Run the LNB file through HP BIOS Configuration Utility or HP Support Assistant, which guides you through the update process. The tools verify file integrity, confirm system compatibility, and apply the firmware update with progress indication. The system reboots automatically after successful update completion. Finally, recovering from failed updates. If a BIOS update fails, use HP's emergency BIOS recovery feature available on most business notebooks. Hold specific key combinations during boot to access recovery mode, then provide the original BIOS file on a USB drive. This rescues systems from interrupted or corrupted BIOS update attempts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.